In today's video, you'll learn how to insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop. If you don't already have Photoshop, you can get it by clicking the link down in the description. So the first thing you want to do is to find the Type tool in the left side of the screen. Just use the keyboard shortcut T. And let's just create a text box by clicking on our document right here. And let's just delete our text by hitting the delete button right here. And we're now actually ready to insert our trademark symbol. So this is a bit different depending on if you are on a Mac or a PC. If you are on PC, you want to hold down Alt while pressing 0174, and that will add the trademark for you. If you are on a Mac, as I am, all you actually have to do is just press Option and R, and it will actually create the trademark for us. And from here you can just select the trademark and choose a font you would like to use. So yeah, that's actually how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.